manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Alright you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get your beauty blenders from this to this. Okay, this is going to take us about under 5 minutes to complete. So first you want to go ahead and get your water, and then you want to go ahead and place your beauty blenders, however many you have. You want to place them in the water. This is my first time actually trying this method right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and take some dishwashing liquid. So I have Dawn is what I'm using. And I'm just basically gonna go ahead and pour them all over the beauty blenders just to kind of get them clean. I'm kind of sick and tired of buying new ones every single time. So I just decided to go ahead and give this a try. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and use baking soda. And basically I'm just gonna pour it rather, all over the beauty blenders and just kind of let it soak it all in. And next I'm just basically gonna squeeze them, and look at all that makeup that is coming off, you guys. It's so gross. Oh my god. Now some of these beauty blenders are really old, and by old I mean like I've had them for like over a year. So with those are going to be a little bit harder to clean, especially if you do not clean them often, and I don't. Like I said, this is my first time actually even trying this method. So I let them sit for about 5 minutes, and right now I'm just gonna go through and rinse them off, squeeze them, and I'm gonna basically do this all over again. But this time I'm actually gonna put some oil on them, just some regular oil. I've been seeing a lot of people do olive oil, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use regular oil. And then back in with the Dawn dishwashing liquid. And I'm just basically squeezing them in the water, trying to get them as clean as possible, you guys. And then now I'm just rinsing them off with some hot water. I left them for about an hour, and this is the final look of how they have turned out. As you guys can see, that is looking really good and clean. And this is it. As you guys can tell, the newer ones are a little bit cleaner than the older ones. So those in the back are the older ones. As you guys can see, it was really tough for me to actually even remove the makeup on there. So yeah, that looks kind of gross or whatever, but guess what, sis, I'm still gonna use it, probably for like my setting powder and all of that jazz. But yeah, that is basically it, you guys. So this was super easy. And make sure you use hot water when you do all of this, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.